Hey guys, Alpine Company is going to do some epoxy injection today. Kind of go over the process. I've already done a couple videos on installing these ports. These ports get installed about every 12 to 14 inches, and we seal up the cracks and grout around them. When we're ready, we got our epoxy. We're going to do some injecting into that Zerk. Main thing with epoxy injection that's really doesn't get done by a lot of people is it takes a lot of time. See those air bubbles going through there? What you want to do is as soon as you start injecting, you're going to see some pressure. I'm not even squeezing the tube right now. I'm just letting that epoxy run in there. You see that bubble right there? You just want those guys to keep on moving. Once it slows down, you can give it a little bit of a squeeze. I'm only squeezing the handle about a ½ inch. To do this right, you want to have this port open. You want to inject this guy till we get epoxy up to here, and then we chase it up the wall. But the main thing is you want to watch those bubbles. You want to get a little bit of pressure, not too much, or else you'll blow the epoxy out of the back of the wall. Jade Alpine, you can follow this project, www.alpinecompanies.com. It's Jade Alpine. We'll see you guys on the next one.